In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bulk editor to assign a person to multiple tasks. You can check the boxes here next to the tasks you would like to bulk edit. In this case, I'm going to bulk edit the first 7 tasks in my client implementation. And then I want to use the bulk editor, which allows me to change any of these values in the right off the bulk editor. In this case, I want to just assign the task owner to John Smith, hit save, and the bulk editor has now updated those tasks to be for John Smith. And then the rest of these tasks I would like to assign to somebody else. You can keep clicking. You can then right mouse click and say bulk. The other option is add assignment. This adds somebody to the task. If there's no one on the task, you can add them, and this adds the person to the task. If there was somebody else already on it, it would put a second person on the task, which would then multiply the work. So you do need to be conscientious about using that particular feature. Again, similarly, removing someone from a task. If I were to check these two, if there were 2 people on the task, and I were to say remove the assignment from John Johnson, it will remove John and leave the other people on the task.